Welcome back to Marky RC. Just a little quick video today. If you put a lot of Tamiya models together, the screws in Tamiya cars are JIS, which is a Japanese industrial standard. If you're putting a lot of the cars together, it's a really good idea to get yourself a set of them. You can get them, all manufacturers make them, but I prefer to use the Tamiya set. You get 9 pieces in this set. It's about £26. Comes in a little holder. You get a basically a number 2 Phillips, the smaller Phillips, a flathead for the bigger kits when you get the big flathead screws, box wrench for the wheels, box wrench for all the flange nuts, and then you get a 3mm, 2mm and 1mm like Star Allen head that fits all the Tamiya nuts and bolts and screws. And then if you need to add more torque, you can pop into the handle, which gives you a lot more torque, and you can do things up a lot tighter. And if you get a really stubborn screw or bolt, you can put the screwdriver into the handle and then use it and get even more torque if you're trying to get something undone. Really good kit. Makes them putting the Tamiya cars a lot easier. Pretty much there's everything you need there if you're putting a lot of Tamiya cars together. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.